Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the Messenger conversation you want to customize. Tap the chat header or the small info icon to open settings. This reveals conversation-specific options. Look for a line labeled Emoji, Reactions, or Customize. That's the control you need. If you don't see it, swipe down in the header or tap More to expand hidden items. Once found, tap Emoji to see the current default reaction and the list of replacement icons. This begins the replacement process. With the picker open, scroll through categories or use the search field to find the exact symbol you want. Tap any emoji to preview it as the chat's default. Messenger shows a short confirmation or updates the toolbar immediately. Make sure you pick an emoji that conveys the reaction you prefer, since it replaces the quick reaction heart or thumbs up. Once selected, the new default sticks to that conversation and is used for quick taps on messages. Finish by testing. Tap any message with a quick reaction and confirm the new icon appears. This proves the change took effect. If the emoji did not update, force close the app, reopen, and retry. Also check for Messenger updates since older versions may not support custom defaults. If problems persist, restart your device and try again. Finally, if you want the original back, repeat the same steps and select the standard emoji to revert the default.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.